How to change your Netflix subscription plan. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to open the Netflix app, or you can also open up any web browser and head over to netflix.com. Now you need to open your network settings. For that, tap My Netflix, then tap the three lines in the top right corner, then tap Account. Next, in the account menu, tap Manage Account. You'll be redirected to mobile website. Now, enter your email and password. This loads your full account settings on the website. Once you're on the account webpage, look for Change Plan option. Then tap Change Plan. Select your new subscription plan. You will see different options over there. Choose the plan you want to upgrade or downgrade to. Then scroll at the bottom and tap Continue. Confirm your search. Your plan will be immediately updated if it is for upgrades, or at the next billing cycle if it is for downgrades. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.